The Milky Way is not alone, and it is not safe. Right now, our galaxy is surrounded by more than 50 others. They are bound together by gravity in a structure we call the local group. Some are peaceful, some are being torn apart, and one of them is on a slow, unavoidable collision course with us. This is not a theory. It is already happening. When we look up at the night sky, the Milky Way feels eternal, unchanging, permanent. But galaxies are not static objects. They move, they pull, they fight. This is the story of our cosmic neighborhood, the local group, and the quiet gravitational war shaping the future of the Milky Way itself. What is coming will not destroy the universe, but it will change our galaxy forever. The local group is a gravitational family. It contains over 50 galaxies spread across several million light years, all locked together by invisible forces. Gravity does not care about borders. It does not negotiate. And over cosmic time, it always wins. As these galaxies orbit one another, they distort each other, steal stars, and sometimes merge entirely. For the Milky Way, these interactions pose a simple question. Will we remain a stable spiral galaxy, or be transformed into something unrecognizable? The most powerful force in our local neighborhood is the Andromeda galaxy. It is larger than the Milky Way. It contains over 1 trillion stars, and it is moving toward us at more than 100 kilometers per second. This approach has been measured directly. There is no debate. Andromeda and the Milky Way are gravitationally bound. Neither can escape the other. Their first close encounter will begin in about 4 billion years. Then there is the Triangulum galaxy, smaller, less massive, but critically positioned. Triangulum is also gravitationally linked to both the Milky Way and Andromeda. It may be pulled into the coming collision, acting as a third body in a cosmic three-way interaction. Its fate is uncertain, but it will not walk away untouched. Surrounding the Milky Way itself are dozens of dwarf galaxies. Some are already being torn apart. Streams of stars ripped from them form long ghostly trails that wrap around our galaxy. This is evidence that the process has been happening for billions of years. The Milky Way has not been peaceful. It has been feeding. These galaxies are not waiting for the future to interact. Gravity is already distorting their shapes. Their dark matter halos are overlapping. Their rates of star formation are being altered. Even now, our galaxy is subtly stretching, rotating, and responding to forces far beyond what we can see. On human timescales, nothing changes. On cosmic timescales, everything is in motion. So what actually happens when Andromeda arrives? First, the galaxies will pass through each other. Individual stars will not collide. The space between them is too vast, but gravity will reshape everything. Spiral arms will be torn apart. Gas clouds will slant together, triggering massive waves of new star formation. The night sky would glow with unfamiliar constellations. Over hundreds of millions of years, the two galaxies will oscillate, slow, and finally merge into a single, massive elliptical galaxy. Astronomers have a name for it: Milkomeda. By then, the Milky Way as we know it will be gone, not destroyed, but transformed. Remarkably, planetary systems like our own may survive the chaos. The Sun could be flung into a new orbit, far from its current position, drifting through a reshaped galaxy. The universe will not end. Life may continue. But the familiar structure of our galaxy, the spiral arms, the central bar, the night sky we recognize, will be history. The Milky Way is not a static home. It is a participant in an ancient, ongoing cosmic dance. Galaxies grow by collision. They evolve through destruction. And even something as vast as our own galaxy has a future shaped by forces beyond its control. This is not a story of disaster. It is a reminder. Everything in the universe is temporary. Even the Milky Way. If this made you stop scrolling, tap like and subscribe to MindBurst, because the universe clearly isn't done surprising us.